Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and today we're diving into something that's been creating a quiet but powerful buzz in men's health circles. We're talking about a simple kitchen move that, when combined with extra virgin olive oil, can support healthier testosterone, steadier energy, and better performance while you sleep. Before we get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our men's health optimization content. And stick around until the end, because I'm going to share some surprising combinations most men have never heard about and how to rotate them across the week for consistent results. So let's talk about what's really happening with testosterone as we age. If you're over 50, you've probably noticed changes. Recovery takes longer than it should. Energy isn't as reliable as it was 10 years ago. You may be carrying more weight around the middle, and let's be honest, drive and performance in the bedroom might not be firing on all cylinders. Here's the thing most guys never hear. This isn't simply getting older. Yes, testosterone declines by roughly 1 to 2% per year after about age 30, but the dramatic drops many men experience are usually tied to fixable issues: chronic inflammation, poor insulin control, mineral deficiencies, and disrupted sleep. And that's where olive oil comes in, not just any olive oil, and not by itself. The magic happens when you pair high-quality extra virgin olive oil with targeted, real food ingredients that work synergistically with your body's nightly hormone rhythm. Let me set the stage quickly, because the science is fascinating and empowering. Testosterone is a steroid hormone, which means your body literally builds it from fats, especially the right kinds. Extra virgin olive oil, EVO, brings monounsaturated fats and protective polyphenols that help calm oxidative stress and support endothelial blood vessel function. Inflammation and oxidative stress are two of testosterone's biggest enemies. When they run high, the body diverts resources away from hormone production toward repair. Men who center their diet around quality fat, especially EVO, often show healthier hormonal and vascular profiles than men who don't. But here's the twist. Using EVO before bed, paired with specific ingredients, creates what I call a hormone-friendly nightcap. Why bedtime? Because much of your testosterone production is pulsed during deep sleep. Give your body the right raw materials and metabolic support before lights out, and you stack the deck in your favor by morning. Now, I'm not asking you to turn your kitchen into a lab. We're going to keep this as simple, tasty, and sustainable as possible. Think of each combination as a tool. You'll choose the tool that matches your biggest need tonight, rotate through the week, and stay consistent. And before we go deeper, quick community check-in. Where are you watching from today? Share your age and location in the comments. Seeing men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s show up for themselves from all over the world is one of the best parts of this channel. If men's health and confidence matter to you, hit like and subscribe, because here we talk about the real issues no one else is willing to bring up. Let's build your nighttime stacks, starting with the foundation and then branching out depending on your goals. We begin with the olive oil plus raw honey blend. And I do mean raw, unfiltered honey, not the clear squeeze bottle syrup. Raw honey brings enzymes, B vitamins, and a touch of boron, while EVO supplies the healthy fats that serve as building blocks for hormones. The fat slows the absorption of the honey, which helps stabilize blood sugar overnight. That stability is crucial. Erratic insulin disrupts sleep and undercuts testosterone. Start with a modest spoonful, about a teaspoon of EVO mixed with a teaspoon of raw honey, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. It's smooth, it's pleasant, and it sets the stage for deeper sleep and a calmer morning. If your biggest battle is belly fat and blood sugar, expand that foundation with cinnamon. Just a small pinch to half a teaspoon of quality ground cinnamon stirred into the olive oil, and honey provides a warming, aromatic blend that nudges insulin sensitivity in the right direction. Lower insulin means less suppression on testosterone. Many men notice fewer late-night cravings and steadier mornings when they rotate a cinnamon night 2 to 3 times per week. For circulation and testicular antioxidant support, bring in fresh ginger. Grate a little, about a quarter teaspoon, and whisk it into your EVO and honey. Ginger's bioactives help quiet oxidative stress around reproductive tissues and support the hormonal signals that call for testosterone production. Most men describe the sensation as a pleasant warmth with an easy wind down. It's excellent on training days or higher stress evenings when your system needs a nudge toward calm recovery. A lot of men over 50 are quietly short on zinc and magnesium, two minerals essential for testosterone and sleep. This is where pumpkin seeds earn their place. Grind a couple of tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds into a fine meal and fold a spoonful into your EVO honey blend. The result is a nutty, satisfying paste, delivering minerals your hormones and nervous system crave at night. If you've been waking up groggy or restless, rotating a pumpkin seed night can make a noticeable difference within a week or two. If inflammation or joint aches regularly interrupt your sleep, add turmeric with a tiny crack of black pepper. Curcumin, turmeric's key compound, is fat-soluble, so pairing it with Evo improves absorption, and piperine in black pepper boosts it further. The flavor is golden and earthy, and the outcome for many men is less inflammatory noise at night so the body can get on with hormone repair. For men focused on vascular support and stress reduction, consider garlic. Crush a fresh clove and let it sit 10 minutes to activate allicin. Then blend a small amount into Evo with a dab of honey to soften the bite. It's not for everyone before bed, but if blood pressure or tension is part of your story, this one can be a quiet game changer. The olive oil helps with digestion. The honey smooths the flavor. If you felt flat, unmotivated, or low in drive, rotate fenugreek nights. A small sprinkle of fenugreek powder in Evo and honey creates a distinctive maple-like blend many men enjoy. Fenugreek's compounds can help nudge the signaling that asks your testes to produce more testosterone while tempering certain conversion pathways that siphon testosterone away. And finally, a simple Brazil nut rotation for selenium support. Grind 2 Brazil nuts and blend the course meal into Evo with a touch of honey. Selenium supports antioxidant enzymes and thyroid health, both important allies in the testosterone story. Keep it to 2 or 3 nuts to avoid overdoing selenium. Let me pause here because this is the moment a lot of men ask the smartest question. Arya, how do I pick the right combo and make this stick long-term? Before we move on to the next step, I want to quickly mention something I've created that ties perfectly into what we're covering. It's called the All-in-One Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint, a complete guide for men over 50 who want to rebuild energy, confidence, testosterone, intimacy, and overall health naturally. Inside, I walk you through the exact rotation schedule I use in my practice, how to pair these stacks with dinners, how to sync them with sleep and training, and how to track changes so your results compound instead of fading. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment. If you're ready to go beyond quick fixes and truly master your vitality and connection, that blueprint will guide you step by step. Back to your routine. Timing matters. Aim for that 30-60 minute pre-bed window. Give your body a head start on digestion before you lie down. Keep portions modest. A teaspoon to a tablespoon of Evo is enough, and don't try to stack everything at once. 2 or 3 theme nights per week is perfect. For example, a honey night, sleep, a cinnamon night, metabolic, and a ginger night, circulation. Then add a couple of targeted rotations: pumpkin seed, minerals, turmeric pepper, inflammation, fenugreek, drive, or Brazil nut, selenium. The goal is to personalize and keep it enjoyable. If you don't like the taste, you won't keep the habit. Adjust sweetness with a little raw honey, add a squeeze of lemon with ginger, or spoon the blend over a thin apple slice. Keep the ritual pleasant. Quality count. Choose a true extra virgin olive oil in a dark glass bottle, ideally with a harvest date. It should smell grassy or fruity and have a little peppery throat cat. That's polyphenols, and it's a good sign. Use raw, unfiltered honey. Buy spices whole when possible and grind small batches. Potency stays higher. Store your EVOO away from heat and light. What should I expect and how soon? Most men notice small wins first. Deeper sleep, fewer wake-ups, calmer mornings. Within 3 to 4 weeks, workouts feel more productive, soreness lingers less, and mental fog lift. By 6 to 8 weeks, many report stronger morning firmness, brighter mood, and steadier drive. That timeline fits with how the endocrine and vascular systems adapt. You're working with physiology, not trying to bulldoze it. Let's address common concerns. Can you take too much? With Evo, more isn't better. Keep it modest, or you may feel heavy. Can you mix ingredients? Yes, but don't overload. Choose a purpose for tonight and stick to it. On safety, if you're managing diabetes or insulin resistance, the olive oil slows absorption, but the honey still counts. Monitor your glucose and adjust. Garlic and ginger can thin blood. If you're on anticoagulants, speak with your clinician before making them nightly habits. If you have gallbladder or fat absorption issues, start with smaller amounts of EVOO and go slowly. And as always, this video is education, not personal medical advice. None of these stacks can outrun the big basics. Protect your sleep. 7 to 9 hours in a cool, dark room with screens off at least an hour before bed. Train smart. 3 to 4 days of resistance work each week. Daily walking and enough recovery to match your effort. Manage stress with breathwork, quiet evening walk, gratitude journaling. Lowering cortisol makes life easier for testosterone. Keep nutrition simple simple and real. Adequate protein, colorful plants, and honest portions of healthy fats like olive oil throughout the day. The nightcap helps. The lifestyle builds the house. If you want a clean on-ramp, here's the simplest way to start. For the next 10 to 14 days, take the foundation blend, EVU plus raw honey, every night. Notice sleep, morning energy, and mood. In week 3, alternate cinnamon nights if your focus is belly fat/insulin, or ginger nights if circulation and recovery are your priority. In week 4, add 1 targeted rotation, pumpkin seed, turmeric pepper, fenugreek, or Brazil nut, twice weekly. Keep a 2-line note in your phone, what you took, how you slept, plus a morning rating for energy drive 1 to 10. At 8 weeks, compare week 1 to week 8. That's how you make invisible progress visible and sticky. A quick word about supplements, because I'm asked daily, should you add a test booster to this? Food-first routines like this are more sustainable and often more effective than flashy labels. That said, certain gaps, vitamin D, magnesium, zinc, are common in men over 50. Test and target if needed, but don't let pills replace real nutrition and sleep. Now let's talk quality control and shopping notes so you're not guessing at the store. Evo should be extra virgin, cold extracted, in dark glass, and preferably list the olive variety and harvest date. Raw honey should say raw and unfiltered. Spices and seeds are best bought in smaller amounts and refreshed regularly. And store everything away from heat and sunlight. Your hormones will thank you. What kind of results do men report when they stay consistent? In the first couple of weeks, better sleep and more stable mornings. Within a month, leaner midsections when cinnamon nights are consistent and dinner portions are honest. By 6 to 8 weeks, stronger morning erections, improved libido, and steadier confidence. Mood steadies, focus sharpens, and workouts feel rewarding again. That's not just testosterone. It's the whole system working together. If all of this feels like a lot, remember, you're not trying to be perfect. You're trying to be consistent. Choose 1 stack tonight. Take it 30-60 minutes before bed. Do it again tomorrow. Small, repeatable actions are how men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s change their story without creating a second job in the kitchen. Before we wrap up, I want to share something a lot of my viewers ask me: what natural supplements actually deliver results for men's health? After looking at the research and testing what really works, I've narrowed it down to 4 essentials. 1 for stronger erections, 1 for stamina and performance, 1 for testosterone balance, and 1 for prostate comfort. These are all natural formulas backed by science, carefully selected to work together for maximum results. I've linked them below in the description and the pinned comment. Check them out and see how they can help you feel your absolute best. And remember, this channel is a safe space where men support each other. Share your thoughts below, let us know your age and where you're from, and keep the conversation going. As men age, this isn't the end. It's a new beginning. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video.